Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! Hi friends, let's get started drawing something super cute today. A cute office bag. Grab your pencils and follow along. First, let's draw a horizontal line, just a simple straight line. Next, from the left end of the line, draw a vertical line going down. Awesome! Now do the same on the other side. From the right end of the line, another vertical line. See? It's coming together. Join the bottom ends of these vertical lines with another horizontal line to create a rectangle shape. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings. That's the body of our bag. Let's add some fun details. Draw a horizontal line just above the bottom line. This will be part of our bag's design. Now, it's time to make this bag super cute by giving it a face. Let's start with the eyes. Draw 2 big circles for the eyes. I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Inside each big circle, add 2 small circles. Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it? Two big eyes just the cutest thing ever? Can you see how the eyes are coming to life? So adorable! Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings! Add a cute little smile under those eyes. Look at that happy face! Next, let's add a handle to our bag. Just follow the simple steps. Look at that! It's already turning out so adorable! These little details to make it look even cuter. I just love how this little character is coming to life. If something doesn't look right, you can always try again. right? Don't forget to erase the extra line inside the handle to make it neat and tidy. We're almost there! Time to add some extra love. Draw a small heart at the bottom right corner of the bag. Then, add 2 more cute hearts at the top left. And we're done! Your cute office bag is ready for coloring. Doesn't it look amazing? Great job, everyone! Let's start coloring. Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part. Let's use bright colors to make it even more adorable. Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own. I love how the colors are turning out. It's looking so cute. Don't worry if you go outside the lines. It's all part of the creative process. Wow! Look at how amazing it turned out with all those colors! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.